this release. We're about to have a rootin' tootin' good time. All right, so buckle your belts, grab your cowboy boots, and let's get started. So, I always start with our stencil. This month's stencil is the Wild West stencil. So we've got cacti, we've got sheriff badges, we've got a hat, we've got some boots. I already have like 72 ideas with this stencil. We'll do a couple of them, I'm sure, in the next couple of Fanny Fridays. So you could use texture paste on this. You could isolate them. You could just do the sheriff badges. You could just do, the cacti, whatever you wanted to do. Yeah. Next, we have the word die, and this month's word die is howdy. So we have the sheriff's badge, kind of the heart or the star, heart, Misty, Lord have mercy on my soul. The star, and then howdy will fit right here. And then of course we have the star and then the little hole in the middle. So howdy is our word die. Then we have the builder die is a reward wanted poster die. The design team with this die have completely blown it out of the water. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, how am I supposed to live up to that? So cute. So you've got the torn edges of the outline. This is going to cut out this, and it'll cut out this as well. You've got reward and wanted. You can put them where you want to. So yeah, really fun. And then last but not least, we have Nick. You lassoed my heart. So we've got a cowboy hat, he's got beard, and he's got his rope. And there is a stamp, so you can stamp the rest of his rope so it looks like he's lassoing a cow or something. Someone used it in their design team project. So I don't know if all dies are coming this way this month, but mine came loose. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of score tape. And I've only done this because there's more than one die for this image. And I just put down a piece of score tape and I just put my dies down. You can see there. And it doesn't stick. And as you guys know, if you've been following along at all, I store these. Oh my gosh, my hick is coming out. I store these in a CD, DVD holder, and then they go in a basket. So this is day one. Talk about fun. I am so excited. I was just talking to somebody, was that yesterday? It was this weekend. I went and visited an aunt for a side of a family I don't know a whole lot about, and she gave me a picture of my great-great-grandfather, I think. And I was like, he looks just like Kurt Russell in Tombstone. Tombstone is one of my favorite movies of all time. If you've never seen it, go watch it right now. Val Kilmer as Doc Holliday is perfection, chef kiss, and I am so excited to play with this new collection. So if you didn't know, we have a stamp club, and you can have it your way. So you can get just the stamps. You can get just the stamps and the dies, or you can get all of it. So over the next couple of days, I'll be sharing with you the other two chibi characters. So you get a stencil, a word die, a builder die, 3 chibi characters along with whatever dies come with them. So all the information from Stamp Club, or about Stamp Club, is listed in the description box down below. You'll also find a link to our Facebook group. That is where you're going to find all of the information, inspiration you would ever want in your whole entire life. It's listed down below. Be sure to check out our other media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We are inching closer to 700. Once we have hit 700, we will do a small giveaway. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye for now.